I'm going to take this small graphic, I'm going to print it, and then I'm going to digitize the printout and cut it out of red vinyl. I'm going to use Logic Trace 2018, and I'm going to select lines and arcs for the outer perimeter of the diagram. It was an afterthought, but I'm going to add another border around that outer border about 3/4 inch wide. Because with vinyl, you like to have a lot of vinyl showing. It makes the diagram look better. Using lines and arcs was a quick way to do that border. With the rest of the tracing, I'm going to select Tracing Polylines. Each letter I draw here is a closed vector. Again, I always save my work frequently, just in case I make a mistake, and I can go back to that file, reload it, and continue drawing. Because the thickening of the border was an afterthought, I just took a pencil and drew on a 3/4 inch border, and I used lines and arcs to digitize that part. This is a good exercise of tracing and digitizing a diagram. It's going to look good. You can see there all the red pencil marks. Those are my start spots. And it's a good way to keep track of what's been traced. Now that the file is complete, we're going to load it into Vectric Aspire 10.0, check the vector quality, and make sure there's no editing required. I'm also going to run this file through the simulator just to see how it's going to look. And a point here, this program does not create a toolpath for the vinyl cutter. The vinyl cutter just requires a DXF file for cutting. Shown here, the file is loaded into the vinyl cutter software. And I'm using a very fire engine red vinyl. You'll see at the bottom right hand corner here there's some white spots that were cut out. Those are test cuts, and that's to ensure that the vinyl is going to come off the backing perfectly. When completed, the excess vinyl is removed. Now a pre-mask is applied, then the backing is removed, and the vinyl is applied to the substrate.